here at Lews Castle in Stornoway, and just at the end of 6 nights photographing with a really wonderful group of photographers who've been staying with us. It's been a week where the blustery autumn weather has gifted us incredible opportunities for photography. Being based in Lewis has meant that we've had access to really remote and quiet places where we've had wide stretches of empty beaches and barely seen another soul. Our days have been filled with changeable weather, which has brought some incredible conditions. So we've had rainbows and stormy skies. We encountered the most beautiful conditions for perfect waves on Downward Beach the other day, followed by rainbows and rainstorms. And then the afternoon cleared to completely clear blue skies, where you could really see the clear turquoise waters of the Hebrides at its best on Reef Beach in the afternoon. We've also been incredibly lucky that there was one night where the skies cleared and I saw a forecast that was possible for night sky photography. So the group headed out to the Calnish Stones and we sat under starry skies and a Milky Way for a while whilst we photographed the scene. It was such an incredible experience and we were really blessed to have seen it. We also had a day down in Harris where we saw the beaches that are best known for being wide, expansive and stunningly beautiful. The weather was slightly overcast, but you can still see those turquoises in Harris on those days. And today, our final day, we're heading up to the butt of Lewis. The Hebrides this week has really gifted us every opportunity for photography, for slowing down, for really appreciating the Hebrides and enjoying our time together.